Is catnip dangerous if ingested by a child? My 4-year-old granddaughter got her hands on a vial of old catnip that I had in a kitchen drawer and ate some. She later was jumping around as though she had eaten 5 pounds of sugar. Later in the day, she had a swollen tummy followed by diarrhea. Thanks.
Hello, welcome to Just Answer and thanks for your question. I've never heard of a human who was responsive to the particular lactone in catnip that appeals to cats, so I doubt her jumping around was related to the typical feline response. The herb is dry and offers a good bit of fiber, so diarrhea isn't surprising. Although it produced some abdominal gas and diarrhea, it really isn't dangerous or toxic for her though.
If you have a health question and want to chat with a doctor now, visit justanswer.com/ythealth.